Yeah, hi there. Today I would like to record short presentation and make a short presentation and a live demo about our company called Senpex. So before starting that, my name is Anar. I'm more than 15 years in the software and the logistic industry, and I'm very patient with the new technologies and especially in the logistic. And mostly I just have an expertise in the e-commerce integration with a different logistic platforms. But just in short, I would like to, this video is about our company. I will planning to make a short demo about our product offerings, and also I will tell about the more pricing options. That's the usual questions most of our customers asking. Definitely, I mean, each of your company's logistic need depends on the different variables. So we can talk in more details based on your question if you have it. But that's it. So we are Senpex. We're simply, on-demand delivery platform. We simply have a mobile apps and website where we just pick up some item from point A to point B. We established in 2017 on the March, and we have more than 2,000 corporate customers. We have successfully completed more than 40K different successful deliveries. We do right now operation in 4 states. So one of them is Los Angeles, California. It's a Bay Area, Sacramento, LA. We do also operation in Reno, Nevada. We do operation in Washington State. And we actually started months ago in the New York, in the Brooklyn, that we recently started. It's actually presentation is not updated, but um, so our again the mission is the delivering your goods with a great responsibility, and our main vision is to fulfill your delivery needs locally and expand our business in all the different states and other countries as well. So, what kind of products do we have? So we have the products like Senpex Now, Senpex Multi-Route, Senpex API, and Senpex Software as a Service. And the final one is Senpex Personal Dedicated Driver. I will tell all of those in shortly. So what does the Senpex Now means? We have again, as I mentioned, a simple app or website where you as a customers can go to our app or website at the one pickup and one drop of location and make a payment. Our drivers go and pick up and make those deliveries happen. You can also enter not only one, but one pickup and multiple stops. You can add as multiple pickups and multiple stops. So we have in our system option like urgent rush delivery. We have an option like schedule delivery. You can track our driver through tracking our internal tracking system, and you can chat with it, communicate with our drivers. You can see as a proof of delivery. You will see when the package or your item says parcels has been picked up and delivered, and up to $250 is automatic insurance has been adding. So the next our product is Senpex Multi-Route. So these actually products have a more new technologies which is developed. So you can add as multiple stops in our system, and our software actually do route optimization. So with the route optimization, you can have a chance to divide, let's say, 50 locations need to be delivered within 2 hours, within let's say 2 or 5 or 10 drivers within a given time window. So with the multi-stops, we have here the fixed pricing for each stop, and the business accounts is set up is for free. Next, our product, which is called Senpex API. So here, actually, we considering your website, like your e-commerce, that your customers go to your website, start shopping your app or website, and we have a small piece of code. It can be plugged into your website where your customers can buy your item at the end when they add the drop of address. So our system, through our integration, give the delivery fee to your customer. So based on that, your customer can pay for the delivery fee and also the products fee, and then it automatically comes to our system, and our drivers, we dispatch our driver, it goes picked up and make those deliveries happen. The next our product offering is Senpex Software as a Service. So we are providing our logistics technology and platform to your companies, and it includes, drivers management, task management. You can have an option like future tracking and route optimization softwares as well. And the last product is a Senpex personal dedicated drivers. So here, especially with the valuable parcels that we have, and especially with long distances like biomedical examples, samples, it's available artworks, valuable cameras, fragile and different valuable shipments, etc. We can make those deliveries happen. And so, yeah, this is actually areas of our expertise. So we most in the food and beverage, grocery, we're in electronics, retail, with medical industry, with retail, and especially with e-commerce and the different industries. Yeah, this is list of our corporate customers utilizing our service per day, per weekly, and yeah. So let me right now switch to our live demo. So this is our website, which is called senpex.com. You can just type here like that, senpex.com. And with that, you can check all our website information that you can see here. You can get information about our API. You can see how it works. You can check our mobile apps and download our apps. So initially, you as a customer, especially a corporate customer, you can create an account with adding your first name, last name, and personal information. So let's imagine you already have it. And so let me just log in with my account. Here, that's your main dashboard. So with this dashboard, you can see all the functionalities and features that we have here. Yeah, it's like my orders. You can see here like a list of your payments, a list of your messages, communication with the drivers, and corporate overall orders, and also our API orders that we'll talk about later. And let's say, imagine we want to create some job. We click on that. We're adding here from from 1118 Starburst Socket from San Jose, and that's order that goes to 350 Oak Mead Parkway. Example. So here, myself here. So you can have an option like select estimated weight and size, like small, medium, large, and extra large. And you have beside that an option like select the type of vehicles, like car, truck, or minivan. And beside doing this, excuse me, so beside doing that, so we have an option like add more drop-off location. So for example, from Sunnyvale, it goes to Mountain View, and then you can add more drop-offs, like from Mountain View, it goes to San Francisco Airport, and you can add as more possible routes that you're just interested. And here, as I already mentioned, you can select the size, the type of vehicle, and we have the following options. The estimated value, this is for insurance purposes. How is the valuable your products? It can be $1,000. As I already mentioned, up to $250, it's automatically insured. But if, let's say, it's something valuable, my strongest suggestion, just put here your valuable products, products value. And the reason why we need that is it's just simple insurance. So that includes the cargo insurance within pickup and drop location. We insure your products, and it's not too much expensive. A couple of the dollars, just simply adding on top of it. Just make sure your parcels is safe and secure. And what next feature do we have here is we have here like select that this deliver right now. So as I said, it's an on-demand rush delivery option. The second option, we have just schedule date from calendar. So let's say if you have a scheduling for tomorrow at 10 a.m. So you can go here, select from this calendar. Let's say tomorrow, I want that at 10, for example, a.m. Right? I'm changing this p.m. to a.m. and just click confirm button. So even for you to know, scheduling options a bit cheaper, so 15% cheaper than our on-demand options that we have. Yeah, and most interesting part is the make repetitive order delivery options. So what does it mean? Like, for example, you have a regular customer that customer wants each Monday. Let me show you. Each Monday at 10 a.m., just pick up your parcels from your pickup location, deliver to, whatever location needs to be done. Like Monday, Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you can activate. So it's kind of subscription. You can subscribe your deliveries, and each week our system automatically charge and dispatch the drivers for you. So yeah, again, let me just schedule as a delivery on demand. And plus we have a following option, like see, it shows here the mileage, but beside the mileage, you can have an option optimize the route. So if you click that button, so reason actually I added those based on the optimized route feature. So that's why I didn't fit it. But so my suggestion strongly just click that button because of optimization things. Is it cheaper because the mileage will be shortened, and it will be much more cheaper. Anyway, after doing that, you can click on the calculate the price, and whatever price you will see here, just click order now. One more thing just before doing that, for the corporate customers, we do a special promo. So please reach us out if you have regular deliveries and per day 5 or 10 or weekly, monthly. You can reach us out. We can give you a special promo code. Okay. So what else? If you just wants to click on the order now, and then we just add here just quantity type of parcels like 5 boxes and parcels, whatever is the your shipping, you can write down. So you can also add here add more special instruction like be careful and with my parcel, whatever you can just write down here. You can add your name, your last name. You can add in each steps the receiver name like John and the phone numbers, whatever phone numbers, the partner number, and the special delivery instruction. So in each steps, you can write down all that information. And when that comes to the last part, it is very simple, the credit card information. You can simply add here credit card information. If you already use us before, you can go and just use our, you don't need to add one more, just simply add the existing card. You can utilize an option like pay by PayPal. So actually I didn't complete that field, so that's why it's not showing here. And also we have an option like ask recipient or friend to pay. And what does it mean is, for example, you as a logistic or operation team, you're not responsible for the payment part. So your financial department or someone else wants to proceed with the payment. So in that case, you can utilize that option like pay by third party or pay by a recipient or friend. Well, yeah, so that's all, and simply just click on the pay button, and after that, we'll automatically dispatch our drivers for your delivery needs. Let me right now go to the pricing options. I just wrote down here just for your understanding. So definitely our pricing depends on the mileage, on the size, on the weight, and the value of the items. So we have a following pricing options. The first pricing option is the urgent, like on-demand options. So within a 10 miles radius, the price will be $23 to $24. So, and the reason why it's rush, it's urgent, so it's a bit expensive for that purposes, because it's completely, how to say, distract all our plannings in our system. So that's why we are urgently dispatching the driver for on-demand options. The second part is called scheduled delivery option pricing, that our price is $9 to $20. The third pricing option that we have is multi-stops pricing. So what does it mean is you can either utilize our Senpex dashboard, and we can also provide you a special, bulk delivery options as well, but for route optimization. But here, the minimum starts from 5 stops up to 30 stops. The price will be $16. From 31 stops up to 100 stops, the price will be $14. And from 101 stops and more, we can make it, $12 and $10. And that those prices are within a 25 mileage radius. And if it's more than that, so that's also totally fine. So there is an extra $1 adding on overall mileage that we have. Well, in general, that's all about the company. I think that I will keep making a different presentations for the different purpose of our, about the company. So that's it. Thank you very much. Yeah, have a great day. Bye bye.